Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Yes, I'm Komawet. Right now, I'm coming live from Juba City. It is kinda a bright morning here. Yeah, the sun. Just look at the sun, guys. Yeah, in there. It is kinda started to be hot now. The weather has changed from cold to hot. So I'm saying hello to you this morning, guys, and I'm also asking you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Click like and share the video on several social media platforms. Let more people get it. Yes, I'm on the road to 2K. I'm humble actually, and big up to you always for coming to watch my videos in this channel. Yes, today I'm traveling to my home state, Awil, and from there I will proceed direct to my county. Then from my county I'll go to my farm. So follow this video to the end. You will watch my farm and also going from Awil to Nyamlel, then from Nyamlel to my farm. So it is kind of going to be like that, guys. So always remember to click like, share the video on several social media platform for more people to get it. I don't want to talk more because I'm set to leave now as I'm talking to you. I'll just bought a rickshaw. We call it rickshaw here, others call it I don't know how others call it, but most people call it rickshaw actually. So it's the one I'm going to board now to where I'm going to catch my bus to my home estate. Thank you very much. Watch the video to the end and you will enjoy a lot. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah. Now in Yep, Kanjin, there are open Kanya market, right? Okay. Sian of the Kanya market, Mashi, the custom. Yellow Banana and a Barija. Yes, I arrived to Awil town, guys. I'm now in Awil town, so hopefully I'll spend some few minutes or some hours. I will even spend one night here, then tomorrow I will proceed to my home county. Then from there I will go to see my farm. Farming season has started now and want us to go to the farm and start some lands preparation there before rain started some few months to come. So thank you very much for watching the video to this end. I'm happy to you. Hopefully I'll be glad to see this video reaching more people like that. Old town is beautiful. It is kind of cold and nice right now as I'm speaking, guys. So thank you very much. Watch the video to the end and you will see a lot of things down here. Thanks so much. Yeah. I'm getting to see the farm. This is not that far now. Like that. It is dry season right now, so people are trying to, start farm preparations. Right now, I'm moving or going to the farm so that we can start preparing farm for the next farming seasons. You can see how dry is this place now. The grass is kind of dry completely, and all you can see is dry things like the trees are also dry too. So it is what it is right now. Yes. The farm, guys. See how people are clearing the farm right from that. This is the very season where people work hard, for the preparation of next season. You have seen how they have put grass up there. This grass is made ready. That is made ready now. It's kind of ready now for the attaching. opening of that roof. That's roof there. So it is made like that, and simply people are going to put this grass up there. It is tied together. There's also many up there, very many, as you can see. Here we use grass for thatching the local house. So we use grass for thatching the local house. This is the type of grass we use. Keep doing. What for? What? It's your turn. Okay, new trooper. Should I die by my thing? What you had?
By okay. What are you?
Okay. Okay. So that's how it is done. Kan shi ko ai ga cin yayi loya fai wala. Ala chok. Ala chok fai. It is kind of good and strong, guys. That's how it is made. They tied this with this. They tied it like this. And this one with this. This one with this. Here there is a wall. Those are the short poles they put there to support the upper, bigger, whatever. You see? It is a very, very large inside. It could accommodate about 3 beds and so many things, as you can see here. It can accommodate a lot. And look at it from the inside. Those are the grass which people are going to put here. It's going to be one of the nice, whatever. We're also constructing another one right there. Another one right there. We got some long poles here. Huh? Rom pa go. Rom pa tamam pa meet go pa. Enen kan bi ke ga jog. E kan bi jog nen kan. Bi jog ga. Bi jog yom ko bi. Yom ko mi sen bi ke ga jog. Oh. Kecil nundut yom talata. Kecil nundut ya aja es kana pada kecil ke real. Lele yom talata. Lele bilo ti. Kalau main jalan ada je ke bilo kalau ke dah. Kecil lagi lah. Kalau yang nafir. Bilo yang nafir kan. Kau kau derban lo itu. Bilo yang nafir kecil lo jangan tok. Lo tok lagi na ada yang kulit penjual. Kulit nggak dah kayak dong. Ya udah pernah kau ikut le bilo. Coi vô búa lên nữa. Lớp đi giết nà leo đó cái chất. Anh nhớ cái bó của thép. Ông có đi quên. Đi nó thế chi là cái bị do chung dùng tạt lại đó. Cái điên cái lối. Cái giật về. Cái gì. Về cái lối bán là bị cái giá lúc tháp. Cái thằng này cái bị giá lúc là tháp hả? Mà điên cái mà nó cái Adiang ka adut ka tamial ka korija ka. Akora, la ka lego buja lego biga light all pat. Lego biga light all. All is fine. We also had some long poles here. Yage ko aglar chiran gan ba? Ai. A ko fa da fa. Kada ngawar ka taji jo. La ki da che ka ta che mata. Ha? Mình theo kan ga la. Mình cứ biga la ka lo la. Có lại là đợt lôi cái đồng bữa buồn mung nằm cơ cái kết thiang cả lôi cái đồng cả lá rộp vậy sao tao lo cô ở đàn để cho bây giờ là chỉ cái lo cả là sama thiên tham am phải wala kaga di adon gan adon kana ay kana tin adon kan gop mu ha ko kan yala mun de long thi kana ko la mun ngan da en tin mun ke mun kana mu kana dit ko phải mu Ado dia kan ya kara.
Kita amot ke.
Amo da.
Ai.
Kan ya be amo kan.
Kan
Di to kan kan. Kan ya amo kan.
kan.
Kan di ka fa la be amo kan.
Amo ke lok ta pit na wi. Ke.
Amo ko di ka fa.
Babar.
Abar fa.
Babar che na le la.
Abar
Kan
fa.
kati. Ador kan. Ador kan.
Ador kan gof kan ador kan.
Ai. Kan ador kan ador.
Ador ya tinggal jit. Ador ya tinggal jit rogo. Ador ya tinggal chiro.
Aros. Ka kita ador.
Ba ci donga de.
Kan. Thế đấy.
Mong nom ba dang la jok jok.
Kan này yo be ni tiag. Ti tiag ka. Ka tiag. Kau ka. Ala kira.
Abar fa. Abar fa. Ako abar fa.
Le ran ngo le ka yeb da.
Aye na ram ko ma kan di ro kol go. Aram na kol ile le ram ke no tay bian. Yala ka jaban ko e kan ay ting. Ala ke tamam. Karang badan le ka kornam to ko lawatan.
Aye, tek.
To ko lawatan.
Tek. Tek.
That is shackles which is down there. So we are going to see how it is done. This shackle actually. Here people use shackles. And people burn wood to make a shackle so they can go. See, here it is. You can see it there. So we are going to see how it is actually done. They put the heaps of sands up there for the food to burn. See how he's doing the idea. It is kinda nice. It is completely out now. See? Yeah. Oh, it is cocktail. I don't want to talk. Making shackles here, it can't be done by anyone. It's only someone who knows how to do it is able to do it. It's also one of the source of generating income. Right now, a sack of shackle goes for 40 pounds, equivalent to $5, I think, $5. Yeah, and it can. And a heap like this can bring cái chít ngắn là actual cái đây biết cái trồng cho khuôn làm chít ngắn.
Cái này. Cái gì lấy vừa thôi luôn. Cái là mình lấy vừa cái màn này luôn.
Lấy vừa thằng mình để show alba á. Cái này quên. Cái làm kít cả bét.
Mà cái chul đi cái cào.
Cái này chul đi cái cào.
Chul đi cái cào mà.
Cái cào mà nó. A heap like this can bring about 4 sacks. 40 by 4, it could be 160. 160 SSP equivalent to $16, I think. Also. It can push the life for some days. You can tell me about time, okay. I gumbal to you.
Gumbal. Cái này cái tè rau ấy.
Có một tè vào trên này. Ai tamam gop. Ada kayak kadang. Okay. Oh, go kadang kan pen kula aja tem ya. Chen aja.
Ko gumel.
Gumel tiaw gumel ka.
Ada jaga. Real ko.
Real tiaw kan.
Real kan ya.
Real kan. Lu war ko naik war ko ya na. Kapur padahal be apa tam ko ya. Be apa tam tamam.
Ini war cha war ba ka. Oh. Awi ba. Ruan kan. Damn cool.
Okay.
Tất cả bạn đem.
Chả mà phải giúp đỡ nó chín cái lời kì. Ý cả ngàn đâu kén cả. Kén cả cái thèn cho cả lớp rổ bọt đơn mà là cái đang vào cái mà các bạn.
À, cái là cái mà.
Cái này mà lời kì.
Ayo, cái các bạn đâu ra? À, không ta bảo.
Well, cái giá đi.
Cái các bạn đâu.
Akala mà cái mà ta nói như vậy cũng hiểu. I think it is not quite clear here. I don't know. I'll put it like this. So that's one there is the local African huts which we want to construct actually. Let me go closer so that people can see it. You know, we just put the poles, it's under the poles, which we have put there, and we put some small things, whatever, around it, just hold it strong. And after some few days, we will put long poles up there. You know, we'll put long pole up there, and it will be attached. See, so that's how we use it. You can see the hole down. Those holes there, they are still open. They are still open. There is nothing put there because we need to first put the roof properly for these things to be fixed nicely. Right now, it is not. The holes are not filled with the sun. The holes are not filled with the sun because we want to put the roof. And when the roof is put properly, that is when the holes around here will be compact for the short pole to remain strong so that they can hold the roof down there. So that's how we do our local houses here, guys. You see, after some few days, this will be happen when rain starts. It will be easy for people, you know, to stay here. And we will even put some farm produce here, and the two bed one could be there and the other one could be here. And people can sleep comfortable here. There will be no more issues like the other time, you know. The other time we had only temporal shelter, which was actually destroyed by the rainwater, you know. But with this one, nothing will tamper with it completely. Nothing will tamper with it at all. It will be strong so much that it will be difficult, you know, for the rainwater to spoil it again. So can ente kulo diet kwan pana irtan when you wait shit choke thousand o palke ke tit ana wich pe kede nan yal kan bakang loy a wich bakang mung nam na mung nam be yal tin ke chala chok ka dang den be yala ka yal tit anu ke ran yal be akwes so agwer ke shi loy ka nam sa shi ta tero are loy nas so enta chi loy you see in to the kan kana anu wot ka ko koy zamane den ke ben twen, you know, ko jarel to nana ga pur do me ke taden chen ka on le bi ke graja en kero loy kan kana kat kana so kan ga ga chi chu ya mo ko chu taden war rel nyal yar mo ko kan man te na yi gok ko jala tok bi cham yo ko jala tok bi cham ye ya kaja dan porten e ben mo itinen yar mo gok bren yang so yen gana bruel gana ay la ruwana ka go akaron te rapten yara ngodi. You see, you can see this one. This is ground that is stuck, the one we have put there. So we have put it here so that when cows come to graze here, or when we want to come and put the cattle came here, we'll give it to cows, you know, and goats, and also the donkey. Donkey likes this one so much. When farming season is start, we'll give this one to donkey while it is farming here. It gives donkey energy, very tough energy. Give donkey a very tough energy, guys. So that's why we put it here. Under it could be another shelter. One can put his bed there and sleep. One can even put his chair and sit there to chill and relax under it there, guys. So I really like our village life. I like our village vibe so much. Yeah, I'm not used to town vibe, but village is my favorite. I will never stay far away from the village. I will never stay in town for more than a month or more than 2 months or coming to the village. I used to come here and also connect with the nature, guys, because this what you see here, there is free AC, there is free fans, and all those stuff here. Kind of very nice, I think I need to spend my good days here. And you can see the farm, the grass have grown tall. Right now it is kind of dry season. It is kind of dry season now. Everything is dry, even plants, even trees. Trees are also dry, and the grass have dry. So up to March there, up to April and March, we will completely remove this. We will plant this and start clearing the farm again so that we can start farming fresh right here. So it is kind of nice, my people. If you are not used to village life, try to be used to village life. You never know the benefit you will get from the village, as we are getting so much benefit here, guys. Well, thank you, my people, for taking your time to watch. I'm so much happy to spend this time with you. I think this video won't be long. I want to make it short. I just want to show you our village life, and you have seen it. Yeah, consider to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Click like and share the video on several social media platforms. Let more people get it. Tell a friend and let your friend tell his friend to subscribe, so that we can clock 3K. We have already clocked 2K, guys. Right now we are on the roads to 3K, and I hope with your help we will clock 3K, my people. Yeah. Yes, another things also, guys, and I would like to share with you. I had an issue with the pin code, AdSense pin code. AdSense pin code is another issue. I'm trying to fix it, but it has defeated me completely. I think if there is any technicians here, or software engineer, kindly help me out. Kindly help me out. I want to fix this in my channel, I want to fix it in my channel. I want to fix this in my channel soon, so that, things can get flowing. They send pin codes twice, but I didn't get it. I didn't get email. I didn't get the pin codes, and that caused some issues to my channel. And they direct me again to do some things. I tried to do it on my own, but it is like I can't do it. It needs a real technician or a real software engineer to interfere and help me. I had one friend, software engineer in the town, and I would actually meet him soon to help me out from this issue. Yeah, but he's very busy, very busy always. But he promised me that he will help me out to fix this issue of AdSense codes, AdSense pin codes. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this. If there is anything you can do to help me, guys, send it to my email. My email is peter.com@gmail.com, or write it in comment section. I will see it, and definitely I'll do it to help me fix this issue in the channel here. Thank you very much. I'm so happy for you for taking your time to watch this video, really. Bye bye. See you, my people. Thank you very much. Thanks so much.